Hey guys, welcome back to Superfox. Today we're going to be doing a room tour. So yeah, before we start this video, I want to make sure you give it a big like and subscribe and comment down below what you want me to do in the next video. Can we get this video to how much likes?
10,000 likes.
10,000 likes, which will be hard. We're new to this, not like new. Like I have we have a few other channels, but we're pretty new to this channel, so yeah. So we are going to be doing a room tour for you guys.
Hey, Mr. Cat. This is Mr. Cathead.
Yeah, let's get on with the video. This is Devin and this is Dax.
The cat.
Manny is outside.
Good job,
You do not want to know. But yeah, let's see. When you walk in my room, there's a light switch. This is for the fan and this is for the light. Then there's my bathroom. I have to show you my bathroom first because that's where you walk in. You will see this here, and then you come over here. I have some window cleaning. We use this for our mirror.
Sometimes spiders go in your house.
Not this one. They go in our garage. Then they have 5 Nights at Freddy.
Oh, that's mine.
Yeah, he does. This is mouthwash. These are the cups. So you put the mouthwash.
You know how old I got? I'm 8, but I'm a senior. Right?
Yeah, he's turning 9. Okay, and so then you see soap. Oh, it comes out so light. I don't know why it's a pumpkin. This was from Halloween. So yeah. Then right here I have my toothpaste and my toothbrush and stuff to clean my ears. Then right here I have this kind of like toilet paper, but it's like white. I have this to carry it. And over here I have toilet paper and my toilet. Then you come over here. My trash can is filled. And then there's my shower.
Sure, cat.
Everything. And the mirror up there. Then you come over here. I have this sparkle glittery thing.
Yeah.
And then this unicorn and a llama. You're supposed to put on picture frames. I didn't buy my picture frame. So I'm going to probably buy one pretty soon. I have this game of fishes, my bows. I don't know why I have these in here. Gel. There's another gel over there. I have not shown you what's in the cabinet, so I'm going to do that. So here I have this to go on the mouthwash. There's so much more to go. And I have this holder in case I get something new. I have You're My Sunshine. This, like I need more toothbrushes for that. Yeah, that's what I have in my cabinet. Pretty much. And here I have all my jewelry. There's nothing really over there, but I have a lot of jewelry. Then down here is all my hair stuff. Some of my cousin's hair stuff too. He don't sleep in here, but he has his stuff in here. So yeah, this is supposed to go there. This is keep all my chunks and stuff. This is gel. I use this gel by the way. That's over there too. This one. But this one here is mine, and that one there, let's see if I can zoom in. How do you zoom in on this thing? Right there. And that's what's in that part. I don't think there's pretty much anything in this one. Oh, no pants fit. And mouthwash in case I need to fill it up. More toothpaste and an extra toothbrush. It's mine, yeah. Sit down. Oh, I'm so ungrateful sometimes. And then in here, it's just, that's not my deodorant. That is mine. Well, with oh, is it upside? Wow. That was quick. Let me show you. I just have this Wonder Woman cup. I have this. This isn't mine, but yeah. We have this. This one's mine, and then these. So those are not mine. That just to, you know, someone goes and it smells for that. Yeah. It's pretty much everything. Okay, now let's move on to my room. When you walk in my room, I have this box with the store on it for some reason. There's my closet. It's kind of a mess. See, my jacket's on here, drawer. And I have stuff to make bows. And then, yeah. Then there's my cousin's shoes.
Yes.
Doesn't sleep in here.
Yep.
I sleep with my aunt. Gosh.
Yep.
This stuff in the box. Oh, the most in my room. So then you see my bed. This is my bed. This is my bed right there. So you see. There's a pillow in the back. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here. And then how'd you fall on the floor? My cousin's in here. He loves to beat up Mr. Daniels. Have Easter eggs and all this. My backpack. Here's Easter eggs. Then we have a Leviton in the back. My nickname, Justin Demani Dex. My timer. Changes colors. And Kid Cave. So yeah. Bye guys. Hope you had an awesome day. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.